You can mirror one Apple CarPlay smartphone to your screen, either wirelessly or by plugging it into the USB port. To connect your smartphone wirelessly, start by activating Bluetooth on your phone. If the phone has never been connected to the system, pair them. The system will detect whether the smartphone is Apple CarPlay compatible, and if it is, it will offer to pair the two. As soon as the connection is established, press this button to display the Apple CarPlay interface. If the phone has already been connected to the system by Bluetooth, press on this widget, or the central touchscreen, to display Apple CarPlay. If you wish to connect your smartphone using a cable, you must first deactivate your phone's CarPlay function. In the Bluetooth menu, click on the eye next to the vehicle in question and deactivate CarPlay. Plug your phone's USB cable into the USB port. After a few seconds, Apple CarPlay will automatically be displayed. The smartphone is charging when it is connected via the USB cable. To activate the smartphone's voice controls, long press on the control buttons on the steering wheel.